You're basically camping out. What it is, purge valve is leaking on the air dryer. All that air out of that dryer. Otherwise you're gonna have issues getting that out of there. Amazon will only sell these in 4-packs unless you want to pay like $15 a pair. And then okay, there's the old one. And the new one, automatically you can see, look how much more meat there is on them seals. Major difference. We gotta lube this up so it gets a nice good seal. And especially that center. Make sure you get her nice and lubed up there. That'll get you a nice tight seal. Alright. Let's get ready, dude. You just take that one. Throw it in there with the rest of your